The heavy rains in coastal Karnataka, particularly in districts like Uttara Kannada, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, have led to severe consequences. Heavy rainfall has triggered numerous landslides, disrupting major highways and stranding travelers in places like Kumta, Ankola, and Karwar. The Honnavar to Bengaluru road has been closed due to the adverse conditions. Tragically, 7 individuals are feared dead in the landslides caused by heavy rains near Shirur in Ankola taluk. Rescue operations are underway to clear blocked roads and assist affected communities. Flooding has inundated low-lying areas and roads in Udupi and neighboring regions. For instance, the Uppoor Government School in Udupi had to relocate materials as rainwater flooded its premises. In Shimoga and Chikmagaluru districts, rivers have overflowed their banks, affecting nearby residential areas and roads. The Kumaradhara Dam in Kadaba Taluk, Dakshina Kannada, has reached full capacity, prompting precautions against river entry and the deployment of security personnel. Local administrations, including in Karwar district, have issued alerts and are facilitating evacuations from vulnerable areas like Shirur village in Ankola Taluk. This proactive approach follows concerns about potential gas leakages from stranded gas tankers in landslide affected areas. The situation remains critical as authorities continue their efforts to manage the aftermath of these natural disasters and ensure the safety of residents and travelers in the affected regions.